how to create sales order in Netsuite. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to create sales order in Netsuite. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up Netsuite website on your PC or laptop. After that, log in or sign up to your account and then you'll be redirected to this page. So what you need to do is click on transaction tab located in the top part. Now click on sales, then on enter sales order. Here enter customer information and order posting date and scroll down to order navigation bar. Then click on items, add items as per customer's desire. Next, click on shipping. Here you can enter shipping date. Accordingly, click on billing tab, change the payment method and provide customer's address. Now in communication tab, you can either print or email the order receipt to the customer. After that, click on save. So that's how you can create sales order in NetSuite. That's all for this video.